come with me to create a warm and toasty eye look using my new Too Faced Tart Brown Sugar Cinnamon palette. Before we get into it, how cute is my little fuzzy headband? I got it from Ulta during the Black Friday deals, and it's just been great and kind of pulling my hair back and keeping it out of my face when I'm washing my face or applying makeup. But yeah, let's get into it. Switching over to voiceover. So starting off by prepping and priming my face using the Lancome Teint Idole foundation as well as a concealer. Then I'm using Halsey's brand About Face eyeshadow primer. And I think it actually works pretty well in keeping my shadows intact throughout the day. Now I'm going in with my Too Faced Pop-Tart Brown Sugar Cinnamon palette. I'm starting off with In the Fillings. Aren't these names so cute? And I'm using that as a foundational base shade and dusting that all over the lids. Then I'm going in with Dust the Crust and using that as a deep shade that I'm concentrating on the outer edges of the eyes just to smoke them out. Okay, after that, I'm going in with this shimmery shade called Get Toasted and applying that over the lids with my finger, which I have found works the best. Now I'm layering on top of that the Brown Sugar Cinnamon, which is the Champagne Shimmer shade, on top of the other, and I think it really makes the eyes pop. Now I'm applying dust across to the bottom lash line as well, just to create congruency in this look. Okay, a neat trick I like to do is take my Fenty Beauty highlighter and use this eyeshadow. So I like to apply it to the inner corners of the eye just to widen the eyes as well as my brow bone. Now I'm taking my Clinique Pretty Easy liquid lining pen, lining the eyes. I think I mentioned it in a previous video, but I like to draw an extended wing rather than flick it upwards. I just think it looks the best with my monolids shaped eyes. This part's totally optional, but I also like to take my Urban Decay 24/7 liner pencil and stash and trace over the liner just to soften up the look. Okay, now I'm taking my Shiseido eyelash curler and curling those lashes. And then I'm taking my Lancome Hypnose Drama waterproof mascara and applying some mascara. Okay, going in with my Too Faced You Drive Me Glazy eyeshadow palette and applying some blush. And then going in with my Fenty Beauty highlighter to add some glow. Okay, now for the lips. This is my favorite lip combo at the moment, the Urban Decay Vice lipstick in the color 1993. And then I like to layer on top of it my Lancome Absolute lip gloss. And I think it just creates this beautiful chocolate lip shade. Hey guys, this is the finished look. I've been wearing it literally on repeat every day. I definitely wore it during Thanksgiving, but I think it's also really appropriate for winter season as well. It's just like a very warm and toasty look. And overall, I really like this palette so far. I think it combines pretty much all these usable everyday colors in a compact size so you can take it with you anywhere. And it also makes for a good stocking stuffer. I will say one thing I'm a little bit disappointed in is it doesn't really smell like Pop-Tarts. You would think that it's going to smell like Pop-Tarts because of the theme, but either it's very faint or I just don't smell it at all. And final thing I want to point out is the names of these colors are so cute in typical Too Faced fashion. Like there's one called Big Toaster Energy, Hot and Poppin'. I think their marketing does an awesome job. But anyways, thanks for watching.